Transform your backyard into a vibrant sanctuary that welcomes bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. A wildlife-friendly garden not only beautifies your space, but also helps nature thrive. Whether you have a large yard or a cozy balcony, these 12 creative ideas will help you attract and nurture pollinators right outside your window. Let's explore how to bring your garden to life. Start with native plants. They're naturally adapted to your region, require less maintenance, and provide food and shelter for local pollinators. Coneflowers, milkweed, and black-eyed Susans are perfect choices. They attract butterflies and serve as host plants for their larvae. Plant a variety that blooms from spring through fall. This ensures a steady food source all year long. And for an extra touch, add small garden markers to identify your native plants and educate visitors. Just like us, pollinators need water to survive. Add a shallow bird bath or a dish filled with pebbles, so bees and butterflies can safely drink. Refreshing the water often keeps it clean and inviting. A simple drip irrigation system can even create small puddles that attract wildlife, adding beauty and movement to your garden. Skip the chemicals. Pesticides can harm beneficial insects like bees and butterflies. Instead, use natural alternatives such as neem oil or insecticidal soap to manage pests safely. Companion planting also helps. Pairing plants like marigolds with vegetables can naturally deter pests while boosting biodiversity. A pesticide-free garden is a healthy, thriving habitat for pollinators. Pollinators need places to rest and nest. Consider adding a bee hotel or leaving small patches of bare ground for ground nesting bees. Planting dense shrubs, like elderberry, offers shelter from wind and predators. Even a small butterfly puddling station can make your garden feel like home to all kinds of visitors. Herbs aren't just for cooking, they're pollinator magnets. Lavender, thyme, and oregano bloom with delicate flowers that attract bees and butterflies. Let some of your herbs flower before harvesting to keep them coming back. A raised planter box keeps your herbs organized and adds fragrance and beauty to your garden space. Dedicate a section of your yard to a wildflower meadow. Meadows provide rich habitat for pollinators and require little maintenance. Sow a native seed mix, use organic mulch, and let nature take the lead. Soon, you'll have a stunning patchwork of color dancing in the breeze. If you're short on space, think vertical. Use hanging planters or trellises to grow climbing flowers like morning glories and sweet peas. These plants attract bees and butterflies while transforming blank walls into living artwork. It's an easy way to expand your garden upward, making every inch count. Vibrant colors and sweet fragrances naturally attract pollinators. Mix flowers of various shapes, sizes, and bloom times, like marigolds, zinnias, and jasmine. Use organic flower fertilizer to keep them healthy and blooming throughout the season. Your garden will become a sensory paradise for both you and the pollinators. Composting not only enriches your soil, but also supports a micro-ecosystem of beneficial insects. Use a small kitchen compost bin for scraps and let nature do the work. Healthy soil means healthy plants and a thriving environment for pollinators. Pairing the right plants together can boost growth and attract pollinators naturally. Try growing marigolds with vegetables or dill and fennel near flowering crops. This balance reduces pests while encouraging biodiversity. It's nature's way of working smarter, not harder. Share your passion for pollinator gardening with others. Host a community workshop, garden tour, or pollinator event to inspire friends and neighbors. Together, you can create a network of pollinator-friendly gardens that make a real difference. Finally, plan for all seasons. Choose plants that bloom at different times of year, ensuring food is always available for pollinators. With year-round color and life, your garden will always be buzzing with beauty and purpose. By embracing these wildlife gardening ideas, you'll transform your yard into a haven for pollinators and for yourself. Every bloom, every bee, and every fluttering wing will remind you how nature rewards care and creativity. Be sure to check out this video for more.